GSL 8 kV split phase solar power inverter is specially designed for 48-volt DC solar energy storage system in American market. It passed certificates of UL 1741, IEEE 1574, VDE 0126. The maximum PV input can reach to 12 kVA, and the maximum AC input and output can up to 8 kVA. This AC inverter can match with 48-volt LiFePO for lithium battery, and support multi-machine parallel connection, diesel generator and grid connection, with Wi-Fi and app. It supports remote monitoring of your home solar storage system.